we got Spacey Kim. This is a cute, squishy, very squishy Kim. And we got this in a bundle with Spacey Nudes palette. And we got the holy shorts, it's effing bright. Oh my god. I'm always having fun with this. Anyway, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Elaina. I usually do makeup reviews, tutorials, drag looks, and face paint, all kind of stuff. I was on Painted with Raven Season 2, available on Wow Presents Plus. If you guys are interested, you can watch it. And in today's video, we're doing the review. Well, not real the review. It's kind of a full face of Kimchichic Beauty and drag. Very spacey, alien-esque look to match this girl with winning. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box. So let's get right into this. So thank you so much, Kimchichic Beauty team, for sending me over this bundle and PR. This is a limited bundle, so only like a few people got it, as far as I know, and I'm on one of the few. If you guys don't know, I'm on Kimchichic Beauty squad, and this means I was there one of the first influencers. They gave exposure to like my micro influencers on Instagram, and the assignment was to paint yourself in kimchi makeup and submit. And I got into the group, like one of them, and it's been very fun ever since. We had all kind of gatherings and get-togethers and PR bundles, and I have my own discount code that, like, to make the long story short. So if you guys are interested in anything, you can use my discount code Elaina Glam for extra 15% off, and I'll get a small commission. Just get it out of the way. So this is gifted, and get this in PR. So this is a squishy, very squishy. It's like there's something therapeutic and satisfying when you squish her. I mean, I don't want to hurt little Kim. Did I call her little Kim? I don't want to hurt squishy Spacey Kim, but yeah, she's very squishy. I tried to give it to the cats, and I was thinking the cats might like it, but they just sniffed it and ran away. Apparently, they decided it's not for them. And it came with brights. This is Holy Heart, it's effing bright. I already have this palette, so I haven't opened this. I'm gonna make a do a giveaway on my channel, probably either that or on Instagram. Just watch for it because I haven't done giveaways in a while. I've been kind of busy with a life. We're moving to West Hollywood soon, so I'm very excited about that. And I've been teaching a lot of Zumba and a lot of choreography practice and all kind of stuff like that, and I just don't have time to film lately. So yeah, Spacey Nudes as well. I kind of messed this up because I wanted to see what it looks like inside until I realized I do have it, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like because I can't find my own, but I know I have it. I have it somewhere. So this is it. It's all nudes, neutrals. I'm not gonna open it because if I give it away, I want this to be whole. And the effing brights is this. I already have this as mine. The one that's already opened. I've been using it, love it. It has all kind of rainbow colors. The only issue I would have with it, it's like a lot of similar colors there, kind of repetitive. I would have a little more variety if it was me. But, you know, I would have black and white if it was me. But this is not me. This is Kimchichic Beauty, so I need to take several seats and shut the fluff up. You know, when you do a cat speak, like I have cats, so I'm a crazy cat lady, everything is fluffing. Shut the fluff up. You know, to make it PG and to make it cat-like. Anyway, enough with cats. So this is what you get in the bundle. So the bundle is Violet at $67. That's 2 palettes and the squishy. And you can get it for $54 starting today, May 3rd. So that saves you 20%. I don't know if you can use Elaina Glam on top of that. Just try it and see if you want to get the bundle. You can try Elaina Glam. Maybe it'll give you 15% off extra. I don't know. But, you know, it does hurt to try. But anyway, there you go. So we're gonna be doing this look. This is the full face of Kimchichic Beauty, maybe except for the contour. The contour I used from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that's about it. I think the rest of it, most of it, is Kimchichic Beauty. The lashes are not. It's a pair of 301s. I keep touching them because they're trying to flop down, and this is stack lashes. I did like alien-like look, so it's all up. And anyway, yeah, I'm kind of living with this. I did it once before. I think I did the white here, the white gel liner to make my eye appear like the big hair and extend it up. Kind of gives you the illusion. The wig is colored with the hairspray, not hairspray, but we made color spray. And I got the color spray actually today in Party City, out of all places. So I kind of trying to make it work. It's very scrunchy. One thing, I'm not really gonna recommend it to use it in real human hair. If you guys want to use spray like that, I don't know if I have it here around here. Yeah, I do have it. This one actually sucks, but the dark blue one is good. I already threw it away. I used the whole can of dark blue, and this I tried to use it like on the tips to kind of like imitate this, which kind of like it matches, right? But this one sucks. It was on sale for half off. I mean, the can of this is $40, so it's 3 ounces for $4. Pretty good deal. The blue one, the dark blue, get that one if you want to get it, but the light one, do not. If it's not even worth $2. It like literally no color comes out, like nothing. It's supposed to be light blue, but it doesn't show up. And the wig was blonde, so yeah. But yeah, that's not bad. It just makes hair scrunchy, so just use it in the wig. I would not use it in real human hair. It will be like shit. So yeah, but other than that, it works just fine. So this is what I did with the wig. This is the tablecloth, of course. It's my go-to. But yeah, I wanted to do like extra drag. I haven't done drag in a long time, and I've been busy teaching Zumba, like I said, the whole that. And I just wanted to do something fun, and be extra. So there you go. And also, excuse the quality. I don't even know what this video is gonna look like. I'm filming this on my iPhone. Can you imagine going back? Well, the iPhone camera is not that bad, so I'm filming it on iPhone. And my camera, there's something wrong with this thing. This is my Sony ZV-1, and I put SD card, and it says cannot read the card, reinsert, and reinsert. I tried like 10 cards, I have old cards sitting around, none of them work, so I think it's something wrong with the camera. So I don't know, this is expensive camera, it's always giving me trouble anyway. So excuse the sound quality and the video quality. If it sucks, I'm gonna find out later when I edit. So without further ado, let's do this quick voiceover, because yeah, I don't know what the quality is gonna be like, but there you go. Leave me a comment and let's get right into the rest of it. Starting this look with a palette, the Effin' Brights, Holy Shards, and we're just doing the blue look. I just wanted to match the doll look. I mean, the doll didn't have any makeup, but I wanted to look blue, so create alien has cut crease. Now we're doing gel liner to create alien like kind of a large eye. I'll put the white above my eye to create the wide eye, kind of like, yeah, see, kind of looks white now. And now we're using effing liner in white. I love that liner. It always gives you a nice, sharp, thick line, and it's very opaque. I love this. It kind of like NYX white liner, but I think it's better. And a really good foundation. I did a mix of 110L and 120M. The most concealer, of course, I added a little white later to just give it a little brightness, like in a diamond shape. In the inner eye, like inside, in the forehead, you know what I mean? Like to create brightness in the middle. And we do in the contour, tail contour, chocolate, and I think this one is called honey and chocolate. Some of it is really, really powdery, but it's really nice to work with. I really love this contour because there's two colors and you can actually highlight with one of them from Tony. I'm using the same contour for the nose contour
And also I'm gonna add a little bit of blue later on. You see, I'm using the same eyeshadow palette to add blue to kind of continue. There's no eyebrows in this look. It's an alien. There's no eyebrows. I love to do the alien look once in a while. This is Taylor bronzer. I went to Miami. That's the only one I have, and that's what we got. And this is Taylor blush. That's a light color. I forgot the name, but anyway, using Drama Queen for the extra white, extra Drestel highlighter, and we're gonna use Pearls Gone Wild for that extra bling. I love that one. Is my favorite, all-time favorite. And using glitter shards, of course, in blue. I think it's called Super Galactic, which is very appropriate. Beautiful. A real good mascara, just a little bit because the eyelash is going to do the most work. And I only got lips to go. This is MLB, I think it's called, or something like that. It's a really dark purple. I'm going to set it with eyeshadow off camera to give it a little brighter and more extreme look. And there you go, drag mouth.
So this is the final look with a Miss Squishy Kimchi. So get your bundles if you guys are interested. So the bundle comes with, of course, Spacey Nudes, and it comes with a holy shirt, so effing bright. It's so effing bright, oh my god. So you saw me, this is actually the new one. I'm probably gonna do a giveaway of this too. I haven't touched this, I just opened it and I kind of scratched it, but then I realized I already have one, so I'm not gonna do anything with it. So I could give away this too and watch for the giveaway video. I haven't done a giveaway on my channel in a while because my channel's kind of meh. So, and I haven't been filming. So that's another reason. But, I think I'm due. I can give away a couple of palettes. So there you go. So let me know what you guys think. Go shop with Kimchichic Beauty and use Elaina Glam for extra 15% off on kimchichicbeauty.com. So the bundle sells for this valued at 67 and you can get it for $54. And she just saying hello. Yes, yes. Mm. Just came to say hello. You want to say hello to the audience? Come here, as usual. Yeah, the butthole. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here's my baby. He's hungry. He wants dinner as usual. So we're gonna finish the video on this happy note. Go shop for your bundles. You get Spacey News. You get effing Brights. And ow, ow, don't step on my earring. And you get the Squishy Kim. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next fabulous video, Hannies. Oh,